Hello and welcome to our channel. We wanted to show you the progress in the hallway, but it's not done yet. So here's a little video of Silicone.
So this is the sealant that we like. It's the Unibond anti-mold white. We like it because it's not too shiny and it has the anti-mold in it. So the first thing you want to do is cut off the top of the tube. Then you need to attach the nozzle. It just screws onto those slots at the top. Then here are your options for how much of the product will come out. I find it easier just to have the larger nozzle, so I just cut it quite far down.
Make sure you have a good silicone gun.
And here's the tool that will help you get the smooth silicone, so they're called silicone profilers. And this set just came with 3 different options. The main thing is just to have lots of options for the size of the bezel, so you want something going from 16 down to 8. And then they're also flat on the one side, so that's what gives you the nice shape at the end. Okay, so if we just get started, I like to put a nice thick amount of the silicone in it. Obviously the trade people wouldn't do this, but it just makes it much easier to smooth out at the end. And it's fine if you're just doing a couple of windows at home. You always start with the largest angle, and that'll just help push the silicone down into the joint. Then you can move down the numbers in the angles until it's the size that you want it to be. And this is what it looks like, nice and tidy. Sometimes you'll get a gap or an air bubble, but you can just add a little bit more silicone and smooth it over again. The main thing is just to smooth it all the way from the start to the end, so that you don't have any strange shapes in the middle. If you have a big gap, you'll have to pack it with something so that the silicone doesn't sink in. Foam or plastic is best so that it doesn't go mouldy. And that's it. It's really quite straightforward. Just remember, if you're working on porous surfaces such as stone, that you'll need to mask it off, otherwise you'll get greasy leftover. And don't forget to put a nail in the end once you're finished using it so that it doesn't dry up.
Thanks for watching and see you next time.